Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm here with another video on an NFO. So I'm here for Motilal Oswal S&P BSE Financial X Bank 30 Index Review. So the opening date is 14 July 2022 and the closing date stands at 22 July. So the minimum amount that has to be invested is 500. The expense ratio stands at 100 bips, up to 100 bips, and the additional total expense ratio stands at 35 bips. So the benchmark for this ETF is BSE Financials X-Bank's 30 Index. It consists of 30 companies. The top 5 in that includes HDFC, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv Limited, SBI Life Insurance Company, and HDFC Life Insurance Company. So there will be a rebalancing once HDFC and HDFC merger goes through. So that is all about gist of this ETF. So before I start the comparison, guys, I want to tell you that the S&P BSE Financial X Bank Services does not contain any data prior to 2021. So which we are considering the Nifty Financial Services X Bank, which is very close to that. So that is the comparison we are doing right now. So your 100 would become 870 compared to Nifty at 584. The number of years that we have taken for curating this data is 16.5. The CAGR is just 2% higher compared to Nifty and stands at 14.1%, where Nifty stands at 11.3. The maximum drawdown is much higher compared to Nifty. It stands at 67, and the recovery time also is a little bit higher, but the time in drawdown is almost same. It stands at 150, and where Nifty stands at 147. The percentage time that it spends in the drawdown is 75%, which is almost close to Nifty. Moving on. So let's go to the kappa comparison. Here, the biggest throw off is beta, which is very high at 1.36 compared to Nifty 1. So this is a very risky ETF. The alpha monthly stands at 0.05%. So the R square and the correlation is not much. So they're not providing any diversification. And the Sharpe ratio stands at 0.4 compared to Nifty at 0.41. So if we can see this chart, this is pretty interesting. So around 2014 is when this ETF started performing well. This was majorly due to Bajaj and Bajaj Fin Services. Now, during its highest peak equity curve, it was at 1160. Now there's a 25% drawdown from its peak. So this is all about the Nifty Financial Services X Bank ETF. And so our verdict is, guys, we wouldn't take the risk because of the high beta, only for just 2% gain. So yeah, that is all. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.